waterproof. Okay, so flex ko muna number 1 again, bestseller. 2 colors available, black and gray. May power button, mouthpiece, may speaker. Sa likod may lock strap up and down, may Redmi name sensor, magnetic charger port. Swipe down nyo lang kung connected na po yan sa ating cellphone, can receive all the messages. Like FB, IGTG, Messenger message number, Twitter, Viber, WhatsApp, TikTok, etc. Okay, and then syempre swipe up. May battery percent, DND mode, silent mode, raise to wake, flashlight, fine tone setting shortcut, clearing water wake up screen. Pwede nyo na rin po ito gamiting audio controller and video controller kung bet nyo rin po. Dalawang picture wallpaper na po ang pwede nyo i-customize. Perfect po ito for outdoor and indoor sports and exercises. Like outdoor running, walking, freestyle hiking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, jump rope, and so many more. Can count the total calories, steps, and movement, heart rate and blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, stress level monitoring, cycle tracking, weather update, events. Contacts, pwede kayo mag-save para if ever may tatawagan kayo, direct call na lang ang gagawin nyo. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-add or mag-import sa isa ng number ng tatawagan nyo. May camera, shutter, alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, fine tones. Tumatagal ang battery life na to ng 12 days kapag typical or basic use, 7 to 8 days kapag heavy use, waterproof, dustproof, and scratch-proof na tayo dito. First reactive with 2 colors available, black and gray. No need to top it na po. Konting galaw nyo lang ng wrist nyo. Lalabas na dyan yung time and date, yung day to day, at yung wallpaper pictures nyo. Tawag na. O, lakasan mo kasi boses mo, di ko marinig eh.
No.
O, ayan, ganyan dapat.
Ano?
Anong oras end mo?
Mamaya pa?
12? Mag-e-end na ako para dyan na sila sa'yo.
Ha? Mag-end ka.
Wait lang, mag-flex ako. Nicole. Wait lang, sige na, mag-flex ako. Ayan guys, pwede kayo maglakas ng tao, hinakasan nyo, hinaan nyo, mag-mute kayo, pwede ha? Sige na, bye-bye na.
Bye.
O, ayan siya, need i-connect Bluetooth para makasagot. Yes po, para kay Ma'am Eds. Okay, actually guys, yung watch natin, wala po itong Bluetooth. I-scan nyo lang po ito sa cellphone nyo. Bali, yung naka-turn on na Bluetooth, yung cellphone nyo. Okay? So, ayan na siya guys ha. Sa settings po natin ha. Ayan, watch faces, dalawang picture wallpaper, pwedeng customize. May 3 watch faces ka na rin. Sound and vibration, pwedeng silent, pwedeng vibrate, pwedeng ring. Display brightness, swipe down, swipe up. If you want to lower or ride the brightness. Napaka-smooth yan, i-touch guys oh. Oh, halos hindi pa nga dumidikit yung daliri ko. Oh, ayan. May auto lock, raise to wake, screen on 4, cover to sleep, double tap to wake. Battery saver, turn on nyo kapag malapit siyang malobat para mas matagal ang pagbabawas ng kanyang baterya. Tumatagal ang battery life na to ng 12 days kapag typical or basic use, 7 to 8 days kapag heavy use, waterproof, dustproof, and scratch-proof na tayo dito. Perfect for swimming and for diving, 164 feet, can swim and dive. DND mode, turn on nyo kung ayaw nyo nagdo-notify mga calls and messages kung busy kayo. May night mode layout, pwede nyo na rin tulagyan ng password or pin code. May system reboot, power off, connect new phone, factory reset, and then about watch at nag-a-update po ang kanyang version. Active with 2 colors available, black and gray. No need to top it na po. Konting galaw nyo lang ng wrist nyo. Lalabas na dyan yung time and date, yung day to day, at yung wallpaper pictures nyo. So, any other question para kay Ma'am Eds at kay Sir Max? Go tayo kay number 3. Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Active. 2 colors available, black and pink. Original price is 2,498. Sa basket ko po ngayon, this is 1,359 na lang. 1,359, check nyo sa screen nyo kung magkano nyo na lang mabibili. Dalawang kulay available, black and pink. Walang any mouthpiece, power button, speaker, scroller. Sa likod po, may Xiaomi name na rin, may sensor, may magnetic charger port na rin tayo dito. Swipe up, swipe down. Kung connected na po siya sa inyong cellphone, can receive all the messages like FB, IGTG, Messenger message number, Skype, Twitter, Viber, WhatsApp, TikTok, etc. As in lahat ng messages, can receive and can read. Can customize picture wallpaper, can download any watch faces you want to. Perfect for outdoor and indoor sports and exercises like outdoor running, walking, freestyle hiking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, jump rope, pool swing, and so many more. Workouts and exercises, can count the total calories, steps, and movement, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, stress level monitoring, cycle tracking, weather update, events, music controller, camera, shutter, alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, fine tones. Settings natin sa styles, pwede ka nga mag-customize ng picture, mag-download ng watch faces, brightness, swipe down, swipe up. If you want to lower or ride the brightness, may auto lock, cover to sleep. Battery Saver turn on nyo kapag malapit na siyang malobat para mas matagal po ang pagbabawas ng kanyang baterya. Tumatagal po ang battery life nito ng 14 days, charging time is 1 hour, 5 ATM water resistant kaya pwede siyang basahin at ilubog sa tubig. DND mode turn on nyo kung ayaw nyo nagno-notify, mga calls and messages kung busy kayo. Like for example, nasa work or nasa school, turn on nyo lang po yan. Po ito lagyan ng password or pin code para walang iba makakapag-open or mangingialam ng watch nyo. May system reboot, may power off, may reset, may about band na rin tayo dito at upgradable na rin po ang kanyang version. Okay, once na nakapag-download na po kayo ng MI Fitness, ito po. Ayan. Once na nakapag-download ka na po ng MI Fitness, sir, kapag turn on nyo po ng watch nyo, may lalabas po dyan language, and then syempre yung kanyang QR code. Okay, sa QR code po, punta kayo sa MI Fitness, pindutin nyo tong plus sign, and then, scanner, then tsaka nyo lang i-scan yung QR code ng watch. Kapag na-scan nyo na po, okay na po yun. Totally paired and then connected na po sila. Xiaomi Smart Band 8. 2 colors available tayo dito para kay Ma'am HM at kay Ma'am Frieza. Meron tayo nitong black, meron tayo nitong ivory. Original price is 4,998. Ngayon, may previous na tayo dito na strap. Free shipping na rin to nationwide. 1 year warranty, 7 days easy return refund na rin po tayo dito. Okay? Wala po siyang any mouthpiece, power button, speaker, scroller. But ang kinaganda nito is crystal clear. Full AMOLED screen na po tayo dito. Sa likod po nito, may lock strap up and down, may Xiaomi na may sensor, may magnetic charger port. Paano tanggalin yung strap? Pindutin nyo lang po itong lock strap. Paano ikabit? Ganyan lang din po. Okay? And then syempre guys, no? Swipe down lang natin kung connected na messenger message number, Skype, Twitter, Viber, WhatsApp, TikTok, etc. As in lahat na messages can receive and can read. Can customize 8 wallpaper pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Long press nyo lang din po yung screen. Meron tayo ditong 7 watch faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ala, nawala. 6, 7. 7 watch faces, 8 wallpaper pictures. Swipe up. Can count the total calories, steps, and standing hour. Perfect for outdoor and indoor sports and exercises like outdoor running, walking, freestyle hiking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, jump rope, pool swimming, and so many more. Meron tayo ditong 16 water sports, 10 outdoor activities, 40 training, 14 dance, 12 combat sports, 26 ball sports, 11 winter sports, 14 recreational sports, 5 cardboard game, and 3 other sports. A total of 159 workouts. Siya po ang pinakamaraming workouts sa lahat mo ng smartwatch natin dito. Sa activity, nagsisave yung mga workouts or exercises na ginawa natin. Isang smartwatch dito na pwede nyong gawin as a necklace pendant. Okay, may band display. Sa display, may brightness, auto lock, raise to wake, screen on for always on display, and cover to sleep. May vibration, DND mode, app notifications, auto detect preferences. Pwede nyo na rin po ito lagyan ng password or pin code para walang iba makakapag-open or mangingialam ng watch nyo. Okay, siya rin po ang pinakamatagal na battery life sa lahat ng ating smartwatch. Waterproof, dustproof, scratch-proof na po tayo dito. Still working na rin to under the water. May system reboot, may power off, may reset, may about band tayo dito at upgradable version na din po siya. Okay? And then syempre guys sa ating more. Meron pa tayong more dito. May events, alerts, breath rate monitoring, cycle tracking, stopwatch, music controller, fine phones, world clock, silence phone, camera shutter, timer, flashlight, and then focus. Oh, ayan. Okay. Once again guys, para kay Ma'am HM at kay Ma'am Frieza, that is basket number 4. Xiaomi Smart Band 8, 2 colors available, black and ivory, 16 days ang battery life, original price 4,198. Pero check sa screen nyo kung magkano nyo na lang po mabibili. May previous na rin ako dito na strap. May kasama na rin siyang magnetic charger cord, free shipping na rin tayo nationwide, 1 year warranty, 7 days easy return refund, kaya nothing to worry.